Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on connection and sharing. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you what it will reset, so as I said, it will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, click on reset settings. Tap on it. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step. Now let's tap on OK, and this is it. This is how to reset the network settings. As you can see, they have been reset successfully. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.